Hi, this is William. I just wanted to take a few minutes to evaluate the course and go over what I've learned in it. Um, Before taking the class, I've had to speak in front of work groups and classes, but wasn't really that comfortable with it. So I just wanted to talk about a couple of misconceptions I had about the class before starting it. The first one was that it was a public speaking class, and although we did, give several speeches, it really was more a communication class than it was strictly public speaking. Um, Another misconception I had was that since it was an online class, it was going to be easier than the class in person. This was also a misconception. Um, so now that I've talked about what the class wasn't, I wanted to talk about what it was, which was communication. We talked about interpersonal and group communication. We learned how to create an informative versus a persuasive speech, how to prepare an outline for that speech, and how to use Monroe's motivated sequence for giving a persuasive speech. What else did I learn? I found that I utilized my time management skills in taking this class, especially since it was online and people have busy schedules with work and school and families. So it was very difficult to coordinate our meetings at the same time. Each member of the group had different time management skills, different technological skills, and different organizational skills. So that was a good exercise in time management. Also, we learned, since it was the online class, a couple of things that we needed to consider that we wouldn't have in a traditional classroom is lighting. We had to focus on lighting for the speech, speaking to the camera, which was kind of weird because as you're giving the speech, the group member is actually at the bottom of the screen, and your instinct is to actually look at the people rather than look at the camera lens. And we also learned how to upload our videos to YouTube, how to meet on Google Hangouts. How do I feel now about giving a public speech? I think I have more, I don't know that I'm more comfortable with it, but I am definitely have the skills or the skill set to give a public speech. I'm actually glad that this was an online class. I work remotely, and most of the speeches I would give would be online. So this was a good preparation for that. So even though I dreaded the class, I did have a good time. Everyone was very easy to get along with and worked well together. And it turned out well. Thank you.